I'm going to try it at least once,
Okay.
just because it's a short run.
I've been there before. You go ahead.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to ski down and... Here, hold this for me. Just so I can put my glove on.
Sure.
Yeah, it's too icy. Way to go.
What?
Nothing like messing up the shot. Okay. You got it upside down and everything. All right, we'll try a horizontal rundown instead of a vertical. You can go the other way. I'll meet you at the bottom. It's not that
No,
far.
it's okay. I'll do it next time.
Okay. So you ski first then.
You're going to be skiing with your phone out. I'm going to be following you in case you fucking lose it.
No, I'm gonna make you go first. Ah! All right.